Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Boost user retention with a highly engaging shopping video list, similar to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. With this feature, you can easily share product links from videos, view products directly from the video, and even make purchases straight from the video interface. Empower your users with seamless shopping experiences. FluxBuilder App Builder configurable shopping video list on your mobile apps TabBar. Let's start. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Create a new tab. Select the video's layout to create the shopping video list. This message will be displayed. It means the video will not show here due to frame limitation, but you have successfully configured it, and the video will display smoothly on the app. To add MP4 videos to this shopping video list, please follow this guide. All MP4 videos added through this tutorial will seamlessly display on the shopping video list you have created. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.